Welcome back to Everyday AI Made Simple. Grab your drink of choice and let's dive into today's topic. Did you know that over 70% of people already use some form of AI every single day, and most don't even realize it? From Netflix recommending your next binge, to your phone camera brightening a selfie, to your email quietly filtering spam, AI is already running your life behind the scenes. And no, it's not plotting a robot uprising, at least not before your next coffee break. Artificial intelligence, or AI, isn't a far-off, futuristic idea anymore. It's woven right into our everyday routines. It helps us shop smarter, drive safer, and even sleep better. Think about it. When you say, "Hey Siri," or "Alexa," you're literally talking to AI. When your smartwatch nudges you to stand up after an hour of scrolling, that's AI too. We're living in a world where these invisible digital helpers are becoming as normal as Wi-Fi. But all that convenience comes with a few quirks and some big questions about jobs, privacy, and what it really means to live with thinking machines. Here's the thing. AI still feels mysterious to a lot of people. There's this odd mix of fascination and fear. Some folks picture a friendly helper that keeps their life organized. Others imagine it stealing their job, their passwords, and maybe even their toaster. The truth sits somewhere in between. AI is reshaping industries, automating tasks, analyzing data, creating new opportunities. But it's also forcing us to ask tough questions. Who owns the data these systems learn from? Can we trust algorithms to be fair? And how do we prepare for a world where machines can write, draw, and even create better than we can? Those aren't questions for the future. They're questions for right now. So let's talk about how AI actually fits into daily life, beyond the hype. In our homes, AI manages thermostats that learn your comfort level, or fridges that can literally order milk for you. Smart homes are the modern-day butlers, except they don't need tips, just Wi-Fi. In health and wellness, wearable AI tracks your sleep, monitors your heart rate, and can even predict stress before you realize you're stressed. Some apps can detect health issues weeks before your doctor could. That's not science fiction. That's science function. When it comes to life management, AI is like your ultimate personal assistant, organizing your calendar, sending reminders, drafting emails, summarizing meetings, and even generating grocery lists from your favorite recipes. In education, AI tutors are changing how people learn, adapting to your pace, your style, and your strengths. It's like having a teacher who never gets tired or cranky. And yes, even our cars are getting smarter. They detect hazards, park themselves, and soon they'll handle the driving completely. Bottom line, AI is already part of your daily routine. It's just been politely running in the background, like the world's most efficient assistant who never sleeps. But here's where it gets wild. AI isn't just a tool anymore. It's becoming a collaborator. We now have systems like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini that can brainstorm, hold conversations, and even create art or music. They're not perfect, but they're learning fast. And the big breakthrough this year? AI is starting to use multiple senses. It can see, hear, and speak, all in real time. That means we're moving from type and get a reply to talk naturally and get help instantly. Imagine an AI that watches your kitchen camera and says, "Hey, you're low on eggs. Want me to order some?" Or one that listens to your Zoom meeting and instantly creates a summary. That's not coming soon. It's here now. And it's changing how we live, work, and connect with technology. So what does all this mean for us? It means the future of AI isn't about replacing humans. It's about augmenting us, helping us do more, think bigger, and work smarter. We'll still be the dreamers, the decision makers, the ones with the spark. AI just helps us turn ideas into action, faster and more accurately. But here's the catch. Every convenience comes with a responsibility. We have to stay aware of where our data goes, how these systems make decisions, and when to say, "Hey, maybe a human should handle this one." AI is like electricity. It can light up the world or burn the toast. It all depends on how we use it. Now I want to hear from you. What's one way AI has already slipped into your everyday life? Drop your answer in the comments, and I might feature some in a future video. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, tap that bell icon, and join me for more simple, everyday ways to use AI wisely. Because the future isn't arriving someday, it's already here. Let's make sure we understand it together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.